Yo, what's up? I'm so tired. You know, I'm so tired. I just saw some videos on YouTube and singing. Okay, I don't know what to do, but it's like kind of wait. Oh, it's 6:16. It's early and I'm really so tired. Let's talk about people snoring. You know people snore when they are sleeping. Sorry, I just burped. I'll eat something. It was ice cream something for my dessert. I made it by myself. What was cream? Okay. I don't know, but maybe I can do this without a radio. I'm so not good. So not good. Yeah. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ow. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha. This is so boring. I don't know what to do. Snoring. 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 Some people snore like this. Or like this. Because my cousin, Begito, he is fat. He doesn't do poop in the bathroom. Because if you don't do poop, you get fat. I always poo because I'm skinnier. And I don't snore. Only my cousin do. He snores like this. Even that's disgusting. Even I don't want to do that because I don't want to get fat. And I do not snore. Snore? I hate snoring. When you are sleeping. I only dream. Maybe because of my cousin, maybe he's faking about snoring. Because I didn't want to do that. And sleeping is like dreaming. And when you're sleeping and someone wakes you up, you can't even sleeping. It looks like you're dead. I told you because I know about it. But I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. I'm back. Ew. Don't beat me up. You know Jamaicans could beat you up. I'm not Jamaican. Why leave me? Hi, my name is Layla, and I cannot tell you something. This is what I'm gonna do to you. And I hope you like this. Dad. You get a bump. No, a bump. Let's do it. Wait. 1, 2. Wait. It's like this.